Hey friends, I'm so glad that you're able to join me. A lovely friend of mine introduced me to this farm somewhere out in Bomanville. It has a lot of attractions for the children, as you'll see shortly, but the main reason I went there was for the strawberries. But throughout the year, they do have other fruits and vegetables. So here in this picture, we were just showing our wristbands because you have to pay to get in. And these children here, they were busily picking up strawberries. And yeah, if you see in the back, there is a tractor pulling a wagon. So that is a means of getting down to the strawberry patch, or you can simply just walk. But we walked. So here we are just going through the strawberry patch, and look at this. Lots of beautiful strawberries. Oh my. Some were sweet, some were, not so sweet, but I do recommend this place, especially if you have small children and you just want to go outside and enjoy yourself and, just do something fun with the family. This is a good place. So, guess what they were doing with some of the strawberries? Just guess. Maybe you guessed it right. So, they were picking the strawberries and putting some in the basket, and then some were ending up in their tummies. And a lesson for the parents: when you're coming to a place like this, I didn't know because this is my very first time coming. Do not, I repeat, do not put your children in their best clothing. I did not know that they were going to eat the strawberries, let alone if they were going to use their hands and rub the strawberries on their clothing. But, that's what happened here with my children. So when I got home, lots of washing to do. And let me tell you, these strawberries do not taste anything like the strawberries in the store, because these ones were just soft and juicy and like mouth-watering and soft, like the other ones in the store, they were like hard, or there was like a coating or something over it. And so these ones, oh my goodness, look at that girl. She just walked right through the patch. Look at what Shai found. She found this beautiful strawberry with many different strawberries on it. She was so pleased. And here is Ava. Can you tell that she had one in her mouth? And here's another patch. I really wish I could have one of these growing in my backyard, just something that the kids can just go outside and pick. Look at Aaliyah. She's boldly showing us that she's eating them. And look at all the people that came out today. I mean, it was a full house. And as people were going back, lots of people were coming. And there's my friend in the dress. She came with us. Well, she's the one that told me about this place. I'm so thankful for her. And yeah, it brings families together. These two don't really see eye to eye, but for some reason they were able to sit down together and discuss maybe the taste of the strawberries. I'm not sure. But yeah, so there they are once again. And here's her basket. She's so proud. And as we're getting ready to leave the strawberry patch, here are some pictures of us with the Canada flag in the background. A friend of mine, she's taking these photos. She's quite tall, so that's the reason why these photos were looking up at her. So this is us on the ride heading back to the entrance. So yeah, as you can see, Bella's just continuing to eat. And here's a picture of them excited to just head on back. Because you know why they're going back? There are some rides and some other stuff that they saw. Look at this guy's basket. Oh boy. My friend, she told me that I should not worry about the stroller. Everywhere I'm going, I carry my stroller. Oh, by the way, here are some apple trees. So these come out, I think the guy said August, September, somewhere around there. So, for sure, I will be back picking some apples. Yes, anyways. So my friend, she told me, oh, leave the stroller in the van. And I said, no, I have to carry it because, she's going to be too tired and all this. Not one of them were tired. They were so excited. They ran while we walked. So this ride back to the entrance, they must have been so excited for it, just a moment to sit down. Watson Family Farm is the place to be this summer. Look at this place. So this slide, as you can see, was from the top of the hill. So lots of exercises going on. So parents, when the children go home, they will be extremely tired. These guys have to run up the hill, slide down, and then run up the hill once again and slide down. They have like a whole path here for the kids to be riding on these little bikes. They also have little animals that the little children can go and play with. Well, of course, my children, they love animals. Another cool feature is they have something here that you can put some change into and get some of the, I think it was corn, and then you can hand feed the goats. And so the kids, I think that was a baby cow, a calf just laying there. There's another one. So yeah, this is a pretty cool place. Lots of grass for them to eat. Tell me which one of you guys don't like beanbag tossing. Okay, so here I am taking my chance at this. I'm not gonna do a good job. I'm just gonna let you know from the start. I have the camera in my hand and I'm trying to get a hole in one. So let's see what happens. Oh, did you see that one? Awesome. So back to the kids with playing here, and they're both fighting. I want you to eat this grass, and the little goat says no, and then the little girl comes with the corn, and then Alicia was going to kindly ask her if she could just move for a bit while she forces the little kid to eat the grass, but you know how that works. It walked away. So here's another fun section. I mean, there are lots of children here, but they're all spread out. I mean, like all the families are together. Once in a while, you'll see a bunch of children playing together, but because there's so much to do, all the children are just doing their own thing. So right here, there's a hole somewhere in here, and so you can go from one side to another. And these children, they went through, and when they came out, I had to wash their hair. So yeah, wow, did you see that jump? This is like excitement for the kids. Come on guys, you have to bring your children out here. It's in Bomanville. It's the Watson Family Farm, and if you want to just sit down, there's a little place with a like a big tent that you can sit down underneath while the children let loose here, and so you can maybe get some work done if you need to. Me, I was just busy recording. At times I went and sat down when I realized that they weren't leaving the space that they were in, and did something else. And so Ava, she found herself riding on this bike, and she really enjoyed that because, Alright, so she's had enough. She's going right back to the animals, I guess. Even Alicia went for a ride on the bikes. She looked like she was enjoying herself. And there was a big place where they could play in the sand. Buckets and shovels were provided. Guys, please, I want you to watch this video and tell me if the actions of this young lady is considered cheating. So she's throwing and doing a good job, but for the ones that don't go in, see, she looked, she was thinking, all right, there we go. Is it okay for her to step on there and throw it in? Go, mama. I don't know why she put it back, and children are so cute. They do some adorable things and they just make you laugh. So yeah, I had a very wonderful time with my children this day, and I do plan to go back, maybe for some more strawberries, and definitely I will be returning in August and September, because I would definitely like to get some of those apples. And my friend told me that they have there's peas and sunflowers and all kinds, like there's a big patch of sunflowers back there, I think where the apples were. Just behind there somewhere there's a thing for sunflowers. So when I go back, I will be getting some pictures there and I'll share them with you once again. Anyways, friends, I'm so thankful that you were able to go on this journey with me to the Watson family farm. I hope you had a wonderful time, and I hope that at some point you may make a trip to this place. And yeah, so I'm just gonna leave this strawberry patch with you, just showing you how delicious they look. I'm just letting you know that they did taste great. When we got home, we made some jam with it. Anyways, friends, see you again in the next video. Enjoy!